Gluing wood together is easy. Gluing it properly is very hard. So today we're going to talk about glue ups. So behind me here is a glue up of wood, and I cut it into small sticks. And that's one of the solutions to having warping. The smaller the sticks, the less they're likely to warp. You'll notice that a lot of woodworkers use large boards like this, and then they alternate the grain. Well, if you have small pieces like this, you don't have to worry about that. One of the biggest mistakes that I see people do when they do glue ups is they don't allow for actual cure time. The label on the back of the glue bottle might say it's fine after 12 or 24 hours. Don't believe it, especially for thicker stuff. Give it 2 to 3 days or maybe even a week. Now these are pipe clamps and they're on both sides. And in this case here, the way I have it set up is totally fine. Now the problem is if you put too much pressure on this one and not enough on that one, the whole board will start to go like this on you. But you gotta remember, glue is very slippery and you won't notice it right away. You'll leave the shop, you come back the next day, and then you'll see everything's like a pretzel. Now what happens is you have too much pressure, so it relieves itself by lifting up or going down, or going at a strange angle. So just put enough pressure just to hold it there, but don't put so much pressure that you're smashing it down, because that's when it warps. Now you might be wondering, what does all of this have to do with a CNC? Well, I do my own laminations here in the shop, using a whole bunch of different wood varieties. And as a result, I use the CNC to flatten everything, and there's no better tool. A planer works really well, a thicknesser works really, really well, but a CNC, absolutely perfect, parallel, dead flat. So looking for custom lamination, contact me at CNCKing.com or read my book.